Welcome to Grafterr's unboxing and setup guide for the self-service Kiosk Slim. Your kiosk will arrive in a secondary package, which includes the main screen package, metal pole, 2 arms, 2 cables, card terminal, screw bag, and a USB adapter. During installation, all cables will be routed through the pole, so it's important to follow the correct setup process. The first step is to drill a hole in your table and mark the screw positions around it. When inserting the first arm into the pole, make sure it is positioned below the cable exit, while the second arm should go above it, as shown in the video. Once both arms are in place, tighten them securely. The LAN cable will be routed from under the table, up through the pole, while the card terminal cable will be inserted from outside to inside the pole. The terminal cable will then pass through the arm leading into the pole. To install the card terminal, use the provided screws to securely mount it to the pole. When unboxing the screen package, you will find the kiosk screen and adapter. Insert the arm with the screen back into the pole and attach the adapter to the back of the screen. The power button is located on the back of the screen near the edge. It's recommended to leave the 2 arms slightly loose until the final adjustments are made, allowing for easy positioning of the kiosk. Once powered on, you'll find the Grafterr self-service kiosk app pre-installed. Start the app and grant the necessary permissions for location, file access, and Bluetooth. Your self-service Kiosk Slim is now ready for use. Thank you.